Do you want to book more calls with those warm leads who left halfway through your perfect webinar? Over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the fast funnel retargeting ad to get warm leads booking in calls with you without them needing to fill out a long application or go through a really complicated funnel. Okay. And if you want my fast funnel ad templates so that you can learn and you can turn your warm leads into booked calls without a complicated funnel, just drop the word fast below because I can send this over to you. Hi, my name's Tina, and I'm from our family advertising agency, tinasanford.com. Now, we are here to fix your social media ads so that you can book in more calls from your sales funnel. And together with my son, Dan, and my partner, Tom, we take care of all of the steps in the way of you having a profitable business with social media ads. So we need to talk for a moment because getting leads into your webinar funnel is not the biggest problem that you're facing. It's likely you've run your ads, you've followed all those strategies, and many people have opted in already. Yeah, and yet you find that most of your leads never make it to your booked call. Yeah, or they do, but they never actually follow through. Does this sound familiar? And most business owners right now are assuming that these leads need either more time or more value or follow email sequences or text, But here's what's really happening for most, if not all, of your warm webinar leads. Okay. They were interested. But what's happening is to take the next step or to book a call, it wasn't right for them because it was too long. There was too many steps and people are fed up with that. Okay. And this is where we're finding that most funnels are falling short right now. And it's not because they're actually broken, it's because they are too demanding for somebody who is almost ready, but they're not quite there. Okay. And this is what this does. This fast funding retargeting actually solves this by cutting through all of that. Okay. And actually, what happens is it gives your warm leads like a soft re-entry point, something really simple. Okay. And instead of like them having to go all the way back through your webinar or full-blown application you've got set up, you just run this short direct ad that intercepts these particular leads and then it drives them to a direct conversation with you. And you want the conversations with these people, don't you? Now, this type of ad does two things. First of all, it actually removes the pressure and the complexity that actually stalls these leads. And the second thing that's really cool, it actually opens up a conversation with those people who are almost ready. And it's something that's really casual, something really human, okay? Something that people are looking for right now. And that alone is what can revive the interest that would have actually gone cold. They would have gone and found some other kind of method or service provider. And the truth is, when people see other leads commenting or messaging below your post also, it actually creates momentum. And that'll be social proof working in your favor too. And it only costs a fraction of what you're likely spending right now on cold traffic, which is the bonus, yeah? So if you want to get this ad running really quickly, just drop the word fast below because I'm happy to send you these templates that we use already. And it really is a simple fix. You can get this up in less than half an hour. And it's something that really works. Okay, it might be the difference between having warm leads who ghost you, and then the warm leads actually booking that call with you, and you can sell to.